Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 6B, essay about curriculum posed obstacles, 120 points, 1,000 words. So the essay about curriculum posed obstacles, what is that about? It's about obstacles to student success that the curriculum, what is taught, poses, how the curriculum can affect student success. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We have our students struggling to understand the curriculum is our image. We have 5 links up here. I'm going to ask you to click on the last 4 links that I'm going over here. I will click on due dates and go over them with you. This assignment has a part 1 and this assignment has a part 2. We have our works cited for the works we read last week that you'll quote from in this essay. And of course, we have help with quoting right here. I'm going to scroll back up in the assignment and I'm going to click on the due dates so you're aware of them. And they're coming up right now. Let me make them a little bit bigger on the screen. We have post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you cannot make these due dates, please come over here in the inbox. Let me know what's going on and we'll try to work out a resolution, okay? I'm going to click on the back arrow and get back into our assignment. And I'm going to remind you again to click on the requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. Remember, please, that you have a part 1. These are the essay directions. And you have a part 2. You have the peer evaluations here. And I'm clicking on them to show you they are here. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow again, taking us back to the top of our assignment. And as always, I'm going to remind you that I'm in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, email me here. Don't hesitate. You're never emailing me too much. If something's not clear to you, help me make it clear. Okay, we teach each other, right? All right, let's have a good week.